In a small town called whatever, people was up for being news in 1932.
Ugh. Oh, guys, it's on! It's on! News is on! Hey! It's on!
I'm smoking my cigarette.
Come on, it's on!
Come on, dude, get back in there.
Everybody get ready because at 12 o'clock, you'll be expecting to see a horror tornado blow.
That's just a myth. Don't listen to it.
Yeah, she's such a liar.
I don't listen to anything around here.
Well, I do. So shut your pie hole and listen to the news or something.
Whatever.
You're too fat to see anything. What are you doing?
Quit.
That's not the go! Now we can't watch no news.
Come on, girl. You just broke my TV time.
Well,
5 minutes of TV every day really pays off.
Guys are all
anymore.
losers.
We're not anymore.
Give up. You guys are never gonna learn. And now when it comes, it's almost 12 o'clock. 12!
Of course, it's 12 o'clock. It's on me.
Everybody! No, it's not! Get your guns! It's gonna come! Get your guns! Everybody, get ready!
I don't have no damn gun. I'm going in my room and go sleep.
Well, when you die, whatever.
I'm going to my room. You don't dare follow me.
Guys, what do we do? What's happening? It's coming! I hear something! It's the sparkles! That means they're coming!
What is all this rocking out here?
I told you! It's the ghost! What do we do? Help! Whoa! Where? No.
I'm going outside. You can turn around now.
Get him a spyglass! Guys! Guys, hurry! Guys! Where's your guy? That's not her!
I kind of believe you now. I'm putting down my cigarette. And I'm throwing it up my head. What are you guys missing? What are you missing? You're so cool. What are you missing? What is it? The end!
Thanks for the Livecast video! Bye! Look at all the videos! Love ya! Oh, and this is our director. Say hi. Her name's Brianna. She's so cute. Oh, and guess what you know? We worked so hard on this TV. No, just kidding. It took us like 10 minutes. Bye-bye!